Hello! Welcome to the... That's awesome. I love this guy. So today we're doing another favorite of these little critters here. They really love looking at gems. Today we have another gem. This gem is called the tiger's eye. Hey, what's in my pocket? A tiger eye! I have one for you, and I have one for you. Yeah, so the tiger eye is in the quartz family, and it actually is composed of other little minerals embedded in it. Oh, he's sharing his little tiger eye. That's so sweet. Oh, these guys are really fascinated by it. Oh, thank you for sharing tiger eye. It has red jasper in it. The tiger eye has hematite in it. There's hematite inside that one. Yeah, and another mineral called red jasper. And then when you polish it, you can see these nice wavy patterns, which is why it's so beautiful to look at.
It's so shiny.
It's really shiny. Yeah, this is the tiger eye. Wow, look at that. Here, hold your little tiger eye. So let's start at 5x. Let's investigate what this mysterious tiger eye gem looks like. Here we go. Whoa!
It looks like an explosion for a rocket.
It looks like a rocket explosion. Perhaps it does. It sort of does. Perhaps it does. That's right. So it's called a tiger eye. Now, we've been to the zoo many times and we love looking at tigers. Can you tell me why they call it tiger eye?
Because it has the little line and stripes on it.
That's a good analysis. That's right. It has stripes similar to a tiger. Now, it's called the tiger eye. I've also looked at the tiger eye, and I can't recall the tiger's eye looking like this. But, who knows? Who knows? Maybe it does or maybe it doesn't. So there's the tiger eye at 5x. Wow, that's really fascinating. There's little scratches. Maybe the tiger claw at the gemstone. Do you think the tiger did that? Oh my gosh, that's a scary little tiger we have here. So this is 5x. Oh, the tiger's scratching me, folks. Let's get a little bit closer. Let's go to 10x. There we are. There's 10x. What do you think about the tiger eye?
It looks like now the explosion looks a little brighter.
As we get closer with the objectives, the images get bigger. That's right. He's putting it in his pocket. It's yours, Buster. You can keep it. So there it is. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. This is 10x. Guys, we need to keep exploring the tiger eye. Dig it out. Let's explore more of this strange tiger eye. Let's go to 20x, guys. Here we go. There's 20x. What do we think now? It fell down, folks. We'll have to get it next time. Hey, it fell down there. You know what else is down there? The subscribe and like button. Why don't you guys go ahead and smash it? He can't wait to say that every episode. Oh, hey, we need to go even further. Let's go to the next magnification. 50x.
Here we come.
Whoa. Now we're in really close.
Look at that big line and fat and big.
Yeah, it's
strike right there.
It's a big strike. Yeah, look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Hey, do you want to hear something interesting about the tiger eye? The Roman knights used to wear a tiger eye. They would wear an engraved tiger eye gemstone around their necks to protect them from the enemy. Wow, the Romans like this one.
The Roman knights, the good ones?
Yeah. Good, bad, who knows what they were. But they like this one, yeah. And some people, yeah, yours fell down in there, in that little hole. And some people also wear the tiger eye because they think it protects them from the evil eye. Can you show me an evil eye? Oh, wow, that's scary. Can you show me an evil eye? Whoa.
This is not evil eye.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a sleepy eye. That's an evil eye. Oh my gosh, yee, so scary. There you have it, everyone. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the tiger eye. Stay tuned for more as we continue to explore the 𝙏𝙖𝙀𝙀 𝙀𝙀 𝙀𝙀